Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 4. We will go to MC Grahil Simnet and we will go to projects Excel 2021 practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. If you need help in this project, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, and all Microsoft Access. So, if you need help in other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Management, Business classes, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, macroeconomics, accounting courses, each and everything I can do with A+ grade, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. So we will go to MC Grad Simnet Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3. So we will go to download folder. We will download this file from MC Grad Simnet Excel worksheet. We will open, click on enable editing button. So moving on, next instructions. Guided project 1 to 3. Step to complete this project. Okay, mark the step or checked when you complete them. Open the workbook Excel 2021 guided project 1 to 3 XLS start file. If the workbook opens in protected view, click enable editing in the security bar. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. Simply we will open our Excel worksheet 2021 guided project 1 to 3 XLS. If the workbook open in protected view, then we will click on enable editing button. So the next question is question number 2. In question number 2, open the workbook where your 1 XLS downloaded from the resources link. If the workbook opens in protected view, click enable editing. I have also done this question, so we will move on question number 3. Okay, I have also enable editing button. So question number 3 is that zoom out. You can see this is guided project 1 to 3. Okay, so we will we will open the next worksheet is VReaver. Then we will click on enable editing button on VReaver protected worksheet. Okay, zoom in button. We will click on zoom in button. Okay, question number 3. I have done point 1 of question number 3. Click the zoom out button. Zoom out button in the status bar 5 times to return 100% zoom size. So point V is that click the freeze pane button and choose unfreeze panes. We will go to the home tab in the window group. Click on, so go to the view tab in the window group. Click on freeze pane button. So click on unfreeze panes. So point C of question number 3, click the switch window button. Tab view window group. Click the switch window button. So point D, confirm that VReaver 1 and guided project 1 3 are both open. Display the VReaver 1 workbook. VReaver 1 workbook. So you can see both are open. I have confirmed. So question number 4, copy a worksheet to another worksheet. Right click the sheet 1 tab in VReaver 1 and choose move or copy. Okay, copy a worksheet to another worksheet. Right click to the sheet 1 tab. Right click on this, click on move or copy. So click the to book drop down list and select X 2021 guided project 1 to 3. Okay, to book, and we will enter name and we will enter X 2021 guided project. Select the create a copy. We will select create a copy checkbox. So click OK to copy sheet. Insert a sheet 2 in your name X 2021 guided project 1 to 3 active. Okay. Click on OK button. So point E is that click the switch window button and choose wherever one. View tab window group. Click the switch window button in the view tab window group. Go to the view tab in the window group and click the switch window. Choose the workbook without saving. Sorry, close the workbook without saving. We will close this workbook. Go to the file and click on close button. Don't save without saving. So G is that verify that you are working in your name X 2021 guided project 1 2 3. So question number 5, rename and delete sheets. Double click the sheet 1 tab. Okay, so type inventory and press enter. Type inventory and press enter. Okay, first I have double click the sheet 1 tab. Second point B is that I have type inventory and press enter. Point C, right click the sheet 1 tab and choose delete. Right click the sheet 1 tab and choose delete. Okay, so delete button. So question number 6 is that fill a label series and delete a column. Click cell A4. So the next type WEA001 and press enter in cell A4. Okay, press enter. So select cell A4 and double click in its fill handle. Okay, select cell A4 and double click its fill handle. Right click to the column J heading and choose delete. Cell A4 and double click to the fill handle. Okay, so right click the column J heading and choose delete. Right click column J heading, simply select column J and delete button. Column will be deleted from the worksheet. Question number 7, use the fill handle to copy a formula. Click cell H4 that the formula display in the formula bar. The formula multiplies the quantity by the cost to calculate the value of the current stock, figure 1 to 102. Okay, simply we will click on cell H4. Okay, formula. Click on cell H4. The formula will display in the formula bar. The formula multiplies the quantity by the cost to calculate the value of the current stock. Okay, you can see E4 is quantity multiplying by G4 cost. So point B of question number 7, double click the fill pointer to cell H4 to fill handle to complete the column. Okay, so question number 8 is that merge across and set word wrap. Select cell A1 to I2. A1 to I2. Okay, range is selected. Simply click the merge and center button arrow. Go to the home tab. In the alignment group, click on merge and center button arrow. Click on merge and center button. Sorry, merge across. Okay, point C, merge center across the cell is each row or merge and the label are left aligned. Select cell F3 and click the expand formula bar arrow at the right edge of the formula bar. Click F3. Okay, and click the expand formula bar arrow to right edge of the formula bar. The label has a line break after the word or, but the row is not tall enough to display to Okay, click the wrap text button. The row height adjust to display label on two lines. Simply, we will go to the home tab in the alignment group, click on wrap text button. So point F of question number 8, collapse the formula bar. Changing alignment and format data is question number 9. Select cell A4 to C39 and click the increase indent button once. This move the label away from the border for easily reading. Select A4 to C39. A4 to C39. So click increase indent button once. We will go to the home tab in the number group, click on increase indent button once. Okay. So point B of question number 9, select cell F4 to F39 and click the center button. We will select this range and we will apply center the alignment. Go to the home tab in the alignment group, apply center the alignment. So select cell G4 to I39. Okay, select cell G4 to I39. Click the number format drop up list and choose currency. We will apply the currency number format on this range. Go to the home tab in the number group, open number dialog box, apply currency number format, click on OK button. So select cell A1 to A2 and click the font size arrow. We will select this and click the font size arrow. Choose 20 as the new size. We will go to the home tab in the font group, click on font size arrow and we will select 20 font size. Okay, select cell A3 to I3 and click the bold button. We will select this cell and go to the home tab in the font group, apply bold, click on bold button. Okay, click the format button and choose row height. Click the format button and choose row height. Right click on this, click on row height. We will select 35 row height. Apply 35 row height. Type 35 and press enter. And press. Okay, you can see I have done 75% of this project in my video. If you want to deal for this complete project and if you want to deal for this complete MC Grahil Simnet course, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp or email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do complete Microsoft Excel, complete Microsoft Word, complete Microsoft Access and complete Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.